morning. This is Leisha at Feathered Gates Gypsy Vanner Equine Stable, Home Farm Repair. I'd like to give a shout out of thanks to my brother Rob for giving me this genius idea. For the last 3 weeks I've been having trouble with my inside keypad. This is my outside keypad, but I wanted to give you a shot of it. I've walked over to the inside keypad. This is the new adaptive indoor keypad, which is just a simple doorbell. My ingenious brother said I did not have to spend a whole $60 to have a new keypad. All I had to do was get a doorbell. So I have installed a doorbell on the indoor keypad. Demonstration. Push the button and open the gate. Push the button again. Close the gate. Thank you, Brother Rob.